I'm getting that Valentine's bug here at Chili's Bakes Cakes, so I decided to make some super cute Valentine cupcakes with a mini cupcake on top. Welcome back to Chili's Bakes Cakes. To start out making these cute Valentine's cupcakes, we need mini Reeses. Okay, so don't get them confused with the miniature Reeses that are wrapped. These are mini Reeses and they're unwrapped and they come in this package. Now I have my mini Reeses and my tip 21 is just a small star tip, and we're just gonna pipe some buttercream on top of these mini Reeses and make tiny mini cupcakes. All we're gonna do is just pipe it just like we pipe on a normal cupcake, and we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we have a mini cupcake made out of a mini Reeses. Of course, we're gonna put a little heart on top of these mini Reese's cupcakes. And now I have my one end tip, and we are just gonna frost this cupcake just around the edges. We're just gonna make a circle right around the edge of this cupcake, and then we're gonna pick up our cupcake and we're gonna dip it right in these sprinkles, right into the bowl. Pull it out, and now we have a sprinkle covered cupcake. Now with the same one end tip and the same color buttercream, I'm just gonna pipe right in the middle of our sprinkles and just gonna go 1, 2, 3, right in the middle. We're gonna get our mini cupcake and set it right on top. And there you have it, a simple, adorable Valentine's cupcake. Thanks for hanging out as we made these adorable Valentine's cupcakes today here at Chili's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.